The new Corolla Cross. Fill it with friendship and family. The new Corolla Cross. Filled with life.
It is GTV, powered by World Sports Betting. It is getimes.co.za. It's Richards Bay FC 1, Kaizer Chiefs 0. Mdlalo Betway Premiership, budlala pha ke Mhlathuze Sports Complex in Richards Bay. Sold out 10,000 people ngaphakathi stadium to come and witness the Kaizer Chiefs playing yet another Betway Premiership game. Third straight loss in a row.
Four.
No, I'm talking about the Betway Premiership.
Oh,
Remember, they lost against Stellenbosch, lost the derby, they lost namhlanje. Junior, benibukela la umdlalo mfowethu. Ngikubulisa njani?
Yeah, Shane kunjani mfethu?
I'm okay.
Yeah,
okay,
ngibulise my brother, ngibulise Justice Shabalala. Kudeko my brother. Yes sir. Ngibulise uma Jackson.
Yeah.
Ngibulise uBobzini Benedict Sovilakazi. Bafethu kunjani? Keep on supporting Diski TV. We are fighting no one try to fix South African football. Yeah, no mina give me a effort on the road because Zamalek. Ngiyazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngePetro.
Yeah.
But Zamalek it was an official game now.
Yeah.
It's Zamalek, Stellenbosch, Orlando Pirates. Today it's these guys. So going to the game, no when some changes. I don't mind changing. When some changes as a coach or technical team at Kaizer Chiefs, you can't change the whole team. Especially players that about ukudlala. Akunankinga changing players. Ushinga thola ukuthi una 2 games, 3 games angadlali. You understand? Userino how many games bangamdlali? Userino better futhi but na akadlali okay yena bangamletha singabuya simzwele. Ushinga when did the last play game? I think bamsayina alimele. Mthethwa una 4 months ugcine ngoNovember. I'm talking about Mthethwa.
And straight into the starting 11.
Ngisho kanjalo. Enenye into kuna this thing yabo ye crisis ukuthi balimale before ama game nge warm up namhlanje I think yenzekile whereby siyazi umikelo okay ulimele ngoLorlando Pirates but ngimbonile ulimele weekend umselectelana as a coach. Why selecting him? Angithi ulimele over the weekend. Why select?
I mean, Junior, iplayer kabi limele kwi previous game kukhona nokuthiwa late fitness test.
Yeah.
So if uzakonzakala during warm up, that means la late fitness test akanga ipass.
To tell the truth ulimele uphumile lo muntu bekumele they were supposed to have a plan B. Okay, now ke angithi to fail a late fitness test. Uletha ama left center back i3 uletha ama player dlala ngo left at the back a3 ngikhuluma ngo Cross uletha Edin McCarthy uletha this guy Shinga. Where's the balance there? Apudlalisa lo mfana ka Edin ka Fabian lo Edin ka right center back is struggling. You understand? I
That's
think
not his best position.
Yeah, I don't think it's his best position. Well done to Richards Bay. Also, single out this boy uGumede. I think the boy did very well. Uqala kwami kumbona ku Richards Bay. Umfana ngimbona adlala kanje. I was surprised mase ngimbona. Though namhlanje ungithusile because amanye ama game after kumbona I think season before last mangicala ukumbona I think the boy was promising. You understand? After that season Leana not much ube nama moment namhlanje kule season nje ngiyaqala ukumbona I need to be honest against Kaizer Chiefs sengisho ukuthi aphakamisa isandla ngalendlela. That's my man of the match him and this guy Mthethwa. I think the one who's coming from AmaZulu.
Oh, uSkakana.
I mean to say Skakana.
Yeah. Uskakana had a solid game at right back.
I mean to say
Yeah.
on the right wing back the boy did very well. The experience you can't buy it. Going to the game, I think credit to Zikali in the middle field. Umthembu noMthethwa. Well done to them. Credit. You can't be dominated against the team njenge Richards Bay. Which team was dominate again? Noma ngabe winile iKaizer Chiefs aside one. Badlala the way badlala ngakhona. Ushould benzo shaya izandla.
Xa bajongile Junior kule mdlalo namhlanje Richards Bay and Kaizer Chiefs in both halves. Would you say ungayisingla out ukuthi we know ukuthi coming to this game Kaizer Chiefs is a big team. They are expected to dominate le mdlalo but would you say they were the big team namhlanje?
No. Even position starting at position number 5, number 12 you can't tell. Ukuthi lezi ku number 12 and then ngisho Richards Bay Kaizer Chiefs they are number 5. You can't tell. That's why sometimes when you win, check how you win. Amama team when they win ikushawa izandla but how you win. I mean you can't be dominated. Just come on the first half. How many labachita ba press Kaizer Chiefs in their half? They never backpedal. Ngikhuluma nge-goal kick Kaizer Chiefs never backpedal. Mahala ulomchita lo on the left hand side yana lo mfana lo Gumede uSanele as well.
Barnes, yeah.
Barnes on the right hand side. And then abazikhali bapusha nabomthembu nomthetho. They push. Ngisho ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs have a goal kick. Bebangayi-allow ukuthi iphume la yafini yabo. They press and iKaizer Chiefs players why losing the ball nge-pass. Not ukuthi balithathe enyaweni ngikhuluma nga-first half. Where's the confidence? Very disappointing we're playing for Kaizer Chiefs. These are high profile players. According to Kaizer Chiefs mababa signer. But mangithi high profile not to say ngisho ukuthi ba good enough. Mina ngisazoyiphinda some players that are playing. And like majority of the players that are playing there. Nabo mele bazibuza ama-question. You can point coaches ama-finger but nabo they must ask question. You can't lose ibhola nge-pass and a continuity. I mean today we're fighting for vele pass khulume ngegame namhlanje. iKaizer Chiefs they were playing, they were hoping by putting Velepai on the left hand side and this guy Chislen. Now nobulazy, Chislen nobulazy kakhulu like lengamlale. Ibhola yalazo yabona ukuthi ibhola yalazo but kunobulazy. I mean i-energy ngihlale ngisho akusi-talent. It's something that you need, it's a mindset.
Don't you think mhlawumbe noba is a fitness because he's coming from a long-term injury and I think his debut was against Stellenbosch.
Orlando Pirates.
No, against Stellenbosch.
Oh, Stellenbosch.
Yeah, yeah. So I think that was his debut and he played against Pirates. Don't you think mhlawumbe just nje bracket nithi mhlawumbe because isizini akaqalanga neKaizer Chiefs.
Chiefs le ngiyaziyo mina Shane bebangakunika isikhathi eside. Le mina engayibona engiyaziyo. Yeah, you come there kunama expectation especially when you seasoned player. Yabona mo youngster coming from development. Mhlambe nakhona bengazi ukuthi bezibuya. If you're not going to perform, you go low. Simple. So Chislen, yes, you understand. You say he come from England. West part kunama expectation ubuye Europe angithi. Noma ngabe udlala ku third division. But yangazi in how many games? 500 and something games. He scored 126 goals. I just said Kuma States. But now we need to Shane, you need to show.
Junior, are those stats accurate, my brother?
Yes, what it.
Are they accurate, my brother?
Ngithi mina ngezwa kancane.
Okay, I forgive you, Junior. If uzwe kancane, I forgive you.
Ngizwa kancane 500 and something games. He scored 126 goals. If it's the truth, no, going to the game, honestly.
Sure.
I think the mistake bebayenza sikhulume nge-tactics their first half. Bekapepa too much on the left hand side, going to Velepai. So couldn't tell who's number 10 there. Ngikhuluma ngomuntu support Mabuye and also Mthethwa. Mthethwa is very disappointing. I can't tell about the match fitness has been playing this way. You must enjoy football. Football umsebenzi, but the way uNkulunkulu akuphe wona. You must enjoy. If this game you can't enjoy, and then you're not going to play the game. Don't forget who you are. So same khuluma ngokulinka between defense and attack. Turner, sometimes they can't teach you how to turn to screen. Because yena ngeke baphume phela ngaye. If they will never Kaizer Chiefs angeke alithole Mabuye if because Mabuye bekadlala in front of him. Uyu umuntu bamthemba as a box to box umuntu utajjoin on the box. But now you can't join Mabuye. At least kube badlalise beyingcono. Angisho ukuthi be right. Ukudlalisa ubuya benyathi naye mhlambe at least uMabuye babadlalisa bethu Sereno being number 10. Because Chislen bekateta ngapha on the left hand side which is this guy uVelepai ungcono naye makazeza sub starting the game I think he's got so many mistakes.
You don't think mhlawumbe noba pick up here from Soto Derby because after he came on as the second half uVelepai he was the liveliest player Kaizer Chiefs la Derby gave Orlando Pirates problems gave Sibelebele problems. You don't think mhlawumbe noba bebefuna umnika motivation ukuthi okay you gave us 45 minutes engcono against Pirates so let's rather start ukhe sibone ukuthi uzasinika nini.
Yena any pace indawo yakhe but now show you end up predictable into enginothise ngayo lo. He's a speedy player. Yes, he advantage is speed to the player. And then now he thinking in terms of ama player maningi ane speed esiningi kakhulu. I think he thinking no double. Ungena phakathi every time. Ungena phakathi ufuna ukuplasa umuntu with the ball. Carry that ball, have a confidence. Mangabe there's no one. Libambe le ball, create a foul. Do something, footwork. Drop it ball, into the speed, and then we're behind the defense back foul. It's simple. But ungena phakathi every time, lengwenye lesivele, lengwenye isidlala la center, which is abozikali bona bomthembu Mthethwa. They press him makangena phakathi. And then tolu ukuthi plus abantu. That's why he lost so many ball position first half. And then now I go choose them bekumele amround. Ba create 2v2. But ngimbonile nanga njengoba ngisho nobulazy nyana ibhola unayo ingcondo ebhola but unobulazy umchita. Enye into on the right hand side Sereno match fitness. You can tell psychologically I don't think it's okay. Every time you want to go inside, you can't. It doesn't have confidence nokulanda umuntu. Even putting the ball first time.
Mhlambe noba ilento mhlambe the fact that uyazazi ukuthi I might start the next game, I might not start the next game. Ucinga ukuthi ilonto im-affect her mentally le.
Uqinisile uSereno ibhola yalazi but indaba ufike ku-Kaizer Chiefs that is struggling. Yabona sometimes if i-surrounding yakho ngikhuluma ama-teammate wakho, you're not going to be complimented, and then it's going to have a problem. It's like the situation abo Khama Billiard. You come from the team, that environment. If awuyenze somebody uzoyenza. You understand? And ngapha you need to bazokupasa. You always they play according to strengths zakho. Now kumele uziphandele till you come to the team, kumele uziphandele kunama expectation ubuye eklapini njenge Sundowns. I think into eshabo serenile ezishaye abo Khama Billiard. Into ezibadabule kakhulu into njengale. So match fitness imdabulile. Mabuye not a game that I will say again against the Orlando Pirates na ngimbonile. I think nalana namhla kadlala, I need to be honest. But then into zokhathala. We saw the guy makafika ku Kaizer Chiefs uthathile responsibility. Yeah. But now you can't raise the hands. Team they plans. Yabo ngibonile Richards Bay into enzile nje namhlanje. Laba chita laba, I'm talking about Ubans on the left hand side. Bekafaka amabhola first time. Not on the game now, udlala ngama moment ngikhuluma first half. Putting the ball. I think I basic I master out this guy Ubans. Technical is very good. Uvela faka ibhola between the goalkeeper and defense. And then kube ne drive. Yabo there's an assist here to him. And also on the left hand side, lomfana lo bekabaniki inkinga ngikhuluma first half. Solomon bekahamba. And then aphambane endleleni. And you can't defend Wigomaka. Ubuya uku-attacker, you will file this guy. Fabian was struggling because he come ngeside. Akakwazi ukumaka lo mfana, is good on the ball. Into engimbone ngayo. I think they were struggling. So on the left, at the back, labantu abayi-3, they were struggling. So Richards Bay, well done. But Mahala, I don't think ubanika bopapi something. Khuluma first half. Second half, bringing Knox. How many chances they created? Because they put this boy, Ungema, on the right. Very dynamic player. A team may be an individual brilliance. You can play as a team, but you need players who also raise his hand. They brought this boy, now wabanini dimension, whereby Sebastian defensive Chiefs in speed, whereby he came up with say balance. On the left hand side, it was this guy Ukumete. On the right hand side, Makpuma this guy Upans, and then waba this boy Ungema. Now, how many chances Shaipal Mfan Ungema? Upege le pola dlalo kanjani? You understand? They level dlala. Well done to Knox. And Knox, if he started the game. Bengibona 2-0 3-0 Kaizer Chiefs lucky not to ngoba bashota ngereference into beyibashaba upapi did very well even the first half shota ngereference. So team yabo well done. I wish they can pick up from there bangadlala neChiefs so and then coming to another game and then basimangazi yabo. But asibashayela izandla to credit to ama team aku relegation zone ngibone neObit belida 2-0 ngabona sekuyi 2-1 well done. Second round of the season vela kusana sikhathi ile nto engihlale ngisho iyo is no longer about talent, it's about the character. Psychological, you need to be prepared and you can't afford to lose players. So well done to Richards Bay.
Thank you so much, Junior. That's Junior Khanya, former Kaizer Chiefs midfielder. Besibukelela ke lo mdlalo we Kaizer Chiefs. And lapho ke iRichards Bay ithe yaziqokelela ke u3 points against the Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs suffering their third loss yeBetway Premiership since sibuyile kwi AFCON Junior. Bekukudala ngoku. They've been playing also a CAF Confederations Cup. They lost against Zamalek, right? Now,
it's a disaster, Shane. It's a shame.
In that bank Cup, but it is what it is. It is what it is, Junior. Mhlatuza Sports Complex is Richards Bay 1, Kaizer Chiefs 0. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola Bafethu, this is Junior Khanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi Bafethu, I'm a coach for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, I tell you to subscribe to Itiski TV.